Alright, we're recording the sewer line at 5803 15th Avenue Northwest. The date is May 24th, 2018. Recording from the toilet flange in the far east side of the building, the far east side toilet, next to the utility room with the floor drain that backs up. I'll be pulling back from about 56 feet, you can tell. About 50 feet out. That's as far out as I can push my camera. So it goes through so many turns that by the time I get here, I can't push the camera anymore. I'm going to pull back from here, and this is about where the blockage occurred. Right in here. So it goes. It almost looks like it's dropping into a common line out there, or a 6-inch line at least. This is all 4-inch. Got a sharp turn here. And by this time the sewage is just moving really slowly due to all the other turns it's going through. So once it gets here, it's just not moving very quick. The line's wide open, there's no roots or anything growing in it. You see there's another turn. So there's 3 turns already. All 90s. Another sharp turn there. 4 90s. Another turn there, 5. Another turn there, 6. Another turn there, 7. Another turn there, 8. I mean, you're going through so many turns, that sewage just isn't moving very fast. It causes the blockage. There's the toilet flange we're going through today. Safe bathroom. I'd recommend putting in an outside clean out to maintenance this thing from.